Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how Viewmax.io works. Viewmax.io is an AI-powered platform designed to help creators produce short-form videos faster. Instead of creating everything from scratch, you can use its built-in tools to generate scripts, voiceovers, edit videos, remove captions or watermarks, and even create AI-generated videos. To get started, sign into your Viewmax account. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see the different AI tools available, including the AI scriptwriter, AI voiceover, AI video generator, caption remover, and video downloader. Choose the tool that matches the type of content you want to create. For example, if you're creating a YouTube short, open the AI scriptwriter and enter your video idea or paste a YouTube link. Viewmax will generate a script that you can edit before moving on. Next, you can use the AI voiceover tool to create narration or use the AI video generator to produce visuals for your project. Once your content is ready, you can continue editing inside the built-in editor, add captions if needed, and export your finished video. And that's it for today's video. If this helps you out, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.